Hello and welcome back to Educators Locus, a novel platform of Gyan Vitarna Media Group International. In the last episode, we hope you understood the first USP, the approval status of institutions running under the banner of Sha-Shib Group. In this new episode, we will make you aware of the second USP out of the 20 USPs of Sha-Shib Group, categories of approval. Now, before knowing what are the approval categories of institutions under the Sha-Shib Group, we will learn about the categories of aircraft maintenance engineering licensing, because accordingly, institutions get approval from DGCA, Government of India. So, if we talk about licensing of aircraft maintenance engineering, then it has mainly 5 categories, which are Category A, Category B1, Category B2, Category B3, and Category C. Further, Category A have subcategories like Category A1, Category A2, Category A3, Category A4, and Category B1 has subcategories like Category B1.1, Category B1.2, Category B1.3, and Category B1.4. But here, Category B1 and B2 have ample scope of opportunities and high demand in the aviation industry because as per advisory circulars issued by DGCA Government of India, DGCA cracks down on Category A license for all bases and transit stations of aircraft and mandated that all aircrafts should be released for takeoff only after issuance of Certificate of Release to Service (CRS) signed by a Category B1, B2 license holder. Hence, Sha-Shib Group is one-stop destination to study career-oriented categories, Category B1, B2 of Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, for which Sha-Shib Group has campuses across the nation and all are approved by DGCA, Government of India, in any one or combination of multiple career-oriented aircraft maintenance engineering courses categories, which are B1.1 Mechanical, Aeroplane Turbine, at Gurugram, Bhopal, Jamshedpur, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, Pune, Bengaluru and Cochin. B1.2 Mechanical Aeroplane Piston at Guna, Bhopal, Jamshedpur. B1.3 Mechanical Helicopter Turbine at Bhopal, Mumbai. B2 Avionics at Gurugram, Bhopal, Jamshedpur, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai, Pune, Bengaluru and Cochin. Hope you have understood the categories of approval for institutions running under the banner of Sha-Shib Group. And if you like the video, then please follow our page and channels. We will come back to you with more information in the next episode. Thank you.